What's up, YouTube? This is Richard with RC, and welcome to our crib. All right, today I figured we'd do a little walkthrough of our trailer, kind of show you what we do and how we organize things, how we operate. First off, this is our 20-foot trailer job that we did. That looks really cool on there. So we decided to take a little project on. We've got some things custom made on this trailer. We got the long tongue here. It'll be a lot easier to move around. We got the tire down here. Extra tire there if we need to. Just not that we should get one on there. We got a 4-foot door. Get a pallet out there if we need to. Something handy. Haven't used it very much, but it's nice to have. We got this thing built pretty heavy duty. We're going to put our ditch witch on here, so we've got 16K axles, so it'll definitely hold our big ditch witch. So that was really key for us. We got a nice clean ramp. They might call this the dovetail, but it's got a really nice transition up, and then it converts into your flat area up there. So that's the exterior of the trailer. This is the inside. Let me show you real quick. This is going to be a huge change for us this year. It's going to be our job site pallet. So we've got a steel pallet that's going to be made. I think it's roughly 6 by 4. I don't know, somewhere in that range. Well, we're going to strap our IQ saw. We've got a nice quiet generator strapped there beside it. And we've got our job site tools that we use mostly. We've got mallets, hammers we're going to keep in this top box. Some of the things we're going to use on a daily basis: spigots. We've got some squares, hammers, bigger items up top. We've got things like knives, blades, tape measure, Sharpie, string line, things we're always going to use. And what's really important to us is making it a home. Everything has a home. Everybody knows where the knife goes, the marker goes. Everything's labeled really nice in there. Go through this one. We've got some smaller levels, shims, tape. We've got our chalk line we use a lot to mark out, get a straight line. Allen wrenches are something that it's like you never can find an Allen wrench. Well, Allen wrench. So we got that there. Scissors, pliers, random stuff in there. Got some chisels, more pliers, some wrenches, screwdrivers, chainsaw tool. Let's see what else we have here. Got our drill box. We got another drill. Got some bits in here as well. Bits. We have our sawzall. We need to get a better, probably get another one of these guys and put our plates in. Keep this thing better organized. I think we've got our multi-tool in here. We've got extra drill bits. Didn't have a lot of room up top, so keep those down in there. One thing we haven't gotten yet is we need a bigger box for our grinders. We want to keep all of our grinders. It's just too big to get into one of these little small ones. So we need to get another one. Snap onto each other. These are very, very heavy duty. You got these at Lowe's. It's a new thing now. Unlock it. Comes off the next one. And they've also got these little cool mounts. We're gonna put some paper towels, books on here. We haven't got that yet on there yet, but that's gonna be a really cool addition. It's the big Predator generator we've got at Harbor Freight. It's pretty quiet, which is really important because it's inside the cutting station. And we kind of hate having a loud generator on site. It's going to be really cool, really excited about that. We'll have that in about a month. We'll show you that when we get there. All right, so come on in. Show you the inside of the trailer. So right when you walk up to the trailer, we've got some of these items that we're always going to be grabbing. We come to the trailer. This is our lock for our doors. These little guys that we do a lot of torching in the winter when it's snowy and cold. Lights our propane things. See you guys. We got our batteries. We've got our battery chargers. Everything's labeled, everything has a home. It's really nice living organized. Everybody knows where to put stuff. Radio, blower, glue guns, extension cords, jumper cables. Everything's labeled. It's very nice. Diesel cans, regular gas, mixed gas. I think in the future we're going to get a big tank for our diesel. We'll just make it until we run to the gas station for diesel. Got big machines that need a lot of diesel. So screed poles, screed rails, all the screed stuff. We've got a 16-foot screed bar we like to use. So much faster than using like some of these 4-footers. Big clutch for us this year. We've got a smaller one that's about an 8-footer. Aluminum screed rails, screed bars. Sorry, we got a lot of different screed stuff. These are our screed poles. 1-inch gas pipe from Lowe's, what that is. We got some smaller screed poles, 4-footers. Got some tripod stuff. This is the pave tool screed. You can see it's like 4 feet long. They've got a 2-footer and a 5-footer. We haven't really used it that much, to be honest with you. Spot for our chairs. We like to take lunch on the job site. We need the chairs. Usually make a table of some sort. This is really cool. We haven't yet got the table for it, for the desk. This is going to be our pull-out desk. Sorry, fold-up desk. We're going to get a piece of wood, mount it on these brackets, and it's going to be a spot where we can come in, do some design work, do some estimates. Chelsea wants to come in here and do some social media stuff, pop the computer up, hook up to the homeowner's Wi-Fi, hopefully, and plug away on that. So that's really cool. And it's nice that it folds down. It's out of the way. As you can see, we have a lot of room for growth. We've got some space that we haven't used yet, which is great. It's kind of the goal here. We've minimized a lot of space here. So you'll see once we get back here, things have been dialed in pretty good. We're walking in over here. We've got all of our hand tools. Everything has a home. We know the shovels, flatheads. Some people call these different things. This is what we call them. That's what we're getting labeled as. Funnel. Big machines. We need a funnel. It's easy to get to. Spades, post hole diggers, trencher shovels, hard rakes. We got our big square here. We actually use a lot of small square. We got a little house for our hand tent. Here's kind of some random tools: pickaxe, paver persuader, sledge. Everything has a home, like I said. Columns. Some of our really cool tools we like to use for hardscaping. If we do like a paver border around a circle and we're trying to get a certain amount of inches around, I've done a couple of videos using this guy. It's pretty helpful. This makes our circles as well. You can see this little hole here. Put it through the rebar if you're trying to create a circle, and this can adjust out. Put a pencil in there, draw a perfect circle for your patio. Brooms. These are knee seats. These are really cool. I haven't put these on in a while, but got them from, I think, Pave Tool. These are actually really nice. They look really clunky, but they're actually really good. Tim likes them. We keep them. We got an extra hook here for whatever. Something we just added actually today. A lot of my guys, a lot of our team, they bring lunch boxes, they bring their keys, they bring wallets, whatever they want to bring, you know. Instead of laying on the trailer, laying on the patio, just bring it in here. You've got your own box. This is Tim and Chelsea. I don't know if you know, but Chelsea's our content creator. She's behind the phone right now, but she's got some stuff in here. They're actually husband and wife. Drone stuff, any video stuff. Whatever they want, they can use this box for whatever. These slide out, do whatever. It's pretty neat. Dom's got some gloves in there. He's got a knife in there. Okay. Just put it up today, so it's having to get a lot of use. Season's pretty much coming to an end until March. Steph's got a box. We've got straps, a little bigger, heavy duty for straps. We have all those strapped in there. Over here is more of our drawers and toolboxes. We've got multi-tool. We know that the hammer drill is in here. Hammer drill with all the bits, anything you need for the hammer drill, everything's in there. These are really cool drawers by DeWalt. This one's actually empty, so we've got some room to grow, which is great. Caution tape, flashing tape. We've got gloves in here. These little cheap. These are actually the best gloves, man. These are like $3 or $4 at Lowe's, Home Depot. You can actually use your fingers to do stuff. You know, none of these gloves are going to last doing hardscaping, but those are the best ones that we like. We've got a plumb bob in here. We've got a batteries. Obviously, we probably need some more batteries in there. I think these two are empty. So we've ended up condensing everything, putting things where they need to be. We've got room. Lighting box. Take that one out. So we need to do lighting. We need lighting repair. We're putting a light in. We know that we need to come grab the lighting box, right? Just simple stuff. We've got some wire nuts, wire cutters. We've got some tape. We've got some liquid tape. So pretty much, you know, some lighting cords from Enlight. There's some grease nuts in here. So pretty much everything we need for lighting is in here. We've got another bigger box. So we actually have lights in, but we don't need lights in there. We've got a miscellaneous. A lot of these boxes we've actually, if they've got a clear top, we're going to put a label on the top what it is. A lot of these you can't really see what's down there, so we know we've got some sponges, some racket straps, which we'll show you later. We've got some lighters. We're trying to light a gas fire pit. Screwdrivers, extra screwdrivers are down in there. Mixed tools, organization. Some of our organization tools are in there. Mixed tools, like, I don't know, a lot of stuff we don't really use, but we don't want to throw it away, so we'll keep it. So that's all good in there. All right, we've got our accessories for our light drill. We got a drill that actually drill a hole in pavers. These are just accessories for that drill. Socket wrench. We've got the wrench, all the bits and pieces up there. This one's empty. Nothing in it. Extension cords. We got some small extension cords, accessories. We've dialed in there. Miscellaneous. So anything miscellaneous, we're gonna put a little label on top. We know we have chalk. We've got a little butane torch, label maker paper, handsaw, bucket top remover. I think that's really cool. Screws. We got pretty much concrete anchors, screws, nails. We don't use a lot of that stuff, but whatever we do use, mostly we've got in there. We've got a glue drawer. We're going to dial that in a little earlier. We got the glue out of the way because we got freezing temp. So pretty much we'll stack glue in there. We're going to put some, I think, spray paint down in here. WD-40, some other cans that we don't use a lot, but we need them. We got our pumps down below. We need to pump out some water. That's a good spot there. See everything over here. We've got our laser level up top. We got an empty box over here. We can use in the future. Knee pads, grease gun. So we got grease gun and grease in there. If we need to do any grease work, we know it's all in that toolbox. Pull these out of the way. Pick up the whole toolbox. Go in there, grease the machine. Let's see what we have down here. We got pond toolbox. Everything related to pond, it's all in there. Lighting, we've got a lot of our lights, transformers, anything we bring in, like mass, as far as getting a lot of lights in the mail from our suppliers, we put them all in there. Extra lights, transformers, you name it, it's all in there. Turf box, everything with turf glue, knee kickers, it's all in there. So we have an extra transformer over here for lights. Back here, this is our light drill. That's going to be our drill we add water to. That's going to drill a hole in our pavers so we can punch on those inlights. We do a lot of inlight paver lights. Got our shop vac and a lot of random stuff back there. We got propane tank. We've got our torch. We use a lot of when it's cold and snow. We need to melt the ice in the snow. One of our coolest add-on this year is a beautiful fridge. Let me pull this out a little bit. Probably need to dial this in a little bit better, especially when we're going to be moving this trailer back and forth. We want to have this secured. We've got a lot of room in there. Drinks, food. I think the reason we got this, I'm tired of buying ice every morning. The time to buy ice, the money to buy ice, and you can put glue in here, and it doesn't freeze, which is really cool. It's really cool. So that's gonna be cool to use. Also got a microwave. We're gonna get a Keurig coffee maker and put it in here. So we'll find a house for these guys. And what we're gonna do in a couple weeks is add some solar panels electric source. We want to be able to plug this guy in, plug that in. We've got a system we're going to try out, we're going to use, and I don't know. We'll see how we do that. But I want to be able to power this, at least during the daytime, power that, charge our batteries in here, and probably plug a computer in over here. Anything else we need to plug in, I want to have an outlet so we can definitely use this as best as we can. Tripod, our tent's up there if we want to work in the rain. We've got our tents we can set up. We've got our first aid kit, which is Tim's first aid kit. He tends to hurt his fingers a lot, and so he tends to use the box more than anybody else does. Irrigation, we don't do a lot of irrigation, but random bits, pieces, couplers, I don't know. It's good to have a box for that. Shims, zip ties. I like to use these shims right here, pop them in, snap off. We got a little socket set over here. 2-cycle oil. We've got some other stuff in here that isn't labeled. Not good. Grabos. I don't know if you know what the grabos are, but we use those little boogers to pick up wet cast or natural stone. And it comes with batteries, and pretty much suck it on there and you lift it up by hand. I think it picks up almost 400 or 500 pounds, if I'm not mistaken. We haven't used them a lot, but they're nice to have. We got a couple of them. Zip levels in this little area. Locator wire. We also keep lighting wire in here. Skill saw, motor oil stacked up back here. We're going to keep all of our saws down below. We've got 2 battery powered DeWalt saws that we use the heck of. We absolutely love these guys. Takes a bigger DeWalt battery there. We're always cutting, so it's always nice to have extra saw. We got 2 gas saws and 2 battery powered saws. We got room for growth, which is nice. Got some open areas. We got knee pads strapped up here. Like that, we can never find a water wand. And it's right here, right in the door. So we've got a house for that now. Down here we've got some of our smaller items. We use PVC as a house. Hand pump, crowbars, should be 2 crowbars in there. Tent poles, we use these tent poles to create our curves. Stick them all together, it bends, flexes, put pavers and weight behind it. That's been really key to getting our nice tight curves. Concrete spikes, stakes, whatever you call them. Level bag up here. Best place for that one. And I think that's pretty much it. We've just got the power to hook up. We got our solar panels. Coffee maker to add. We might add something up here. Might add something below. But other than that, I think we're pretty much dialed in. Once we get our little tabletop, we're going to put our desk up. We need to put a picture of Tim right here so we can look at Tim. All right, that's a wrap on our trailer. If you have any questions or any comments, feel free to drop them below. Love talking shop, love talking trailer organization. Kind of like obsessed with this kind of stuff. So hope you enjoyed our trailer talk.